Grid lines. The line L x upon 5 plus y upon b equal to 1 passes through the point 13, comma 12. The line K is parallel to L and has the equation x upon c plus y upon 3 equal to 1. The distance between L and K is, here these two lines, x upon 5 plus y upon b equal to 1 and x upon c plus y upon 3 equal to 1 are parallel, so their slopes will be same. So let's find out the slopes of the two lines. X upon 5 plus y upon b equal to 1 implies y upon b equals minus x upon 5 plus 1, or y equal to minus b upon 5 times x plus b. So slope of this line is m1 equal to minus b upon 5. Also x upon c plus y upon 3 equal to 1 will give y upon 3 equal to minus x upon c plus 1, implies y equal to minus 3 upon c x plus 3. So we get m2 equal to minus 3 upon c. Since m1 equal to m2, so minus b upon 5 equal to minus 3 upon c, from where we get bc equal to 15. Now, since line L passes through 13, comma 12, so we put these values here. So 13 upon 5 plus 12 upon b equals 1, from where we get b equals minus 20. When b equal to minus 20 we put here, then c equal to minus 3 by 4. So we have got the values of b and c. Now we can put these values in the equation, in this equation and in this equation. So let's consider line K. So line K is x upon c so x upon minus 3 by 4 plus y upon 3 equal to 1, from where we get 4x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is equation of line K, and since line L passes through this point, so we can say that if this is line K and second line passes through this point, so we can just find out this perpendicular distance, and that will be the distance between two lines, because this is line L and it is passing to this point 13, comma 12. So we apply formula to find out the distance. Formula is d equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square, where x1 y1 will be 0.1312. We put the values here, be 4 times 13 plus this minus y, so we can write here minus 12 plus 3 divided by the square root of 4 square plus 1 square modulus, and that will be equal to 23 divided by root 70, which is our answer. Now let's consider next question. A ray of light along x plus root 3y equal to root 3 gets reflected upon reaching x-axis. The equation of the reflected ray is, here it's a line and it gets reflected. Now we have to find out the equation of this line, this portion, reflected portion. So Given line has equation x plus root 3y equal to root 3. So we can write y equals minus 1 upon root 3 x plus 1. So its a slope will be minus 1 upon root 3. Now slope of reflected ray will be plus 1 upon root 3. And find the point where this ray meets x-axis, we can put y equal to 0 here. So x will be equal to root 3. Hence, the point of incidence is root 3 comma 0. So we have got the slope of this line and point. So we apply slope point form. So y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. So y1 is 0, y minus 0 equal to m is 1 upon root 3 x minus x1. x1 is root 3, which implies y equals 1 upon root 3 x minus root 3, which is our required equation. Now, let's consider next question. Let A, B, C, and D be non-zero numbers if the point of intersection of lines 4ax plus 2ay plus c equal to 0 and 5bx plus 2by plus d equal to 0 lies in fourth quadrant and is equidistant from two axes, then how are A, B, C, D related? So suppose this is point of intersection and it is say h comma minus h. On x-axis it is x, sorry, h, and on y-axis it is, so here this is h comma 0 and here this is 0 comma minus h. So this point will be h comma minus h, which is equidistant from both the axes. Now we have equation 4ax plus 2ay plus c equal to 0. We put the values of x and y. So 4ah plus 2a minus h plus c equal to 0. So from where we get h equals minus c upon 2a. Now from second equation 5bh plus 2b minus h plus d equals 0, from where we get h equal to minus d upon 3b. So this implies minus c upon 2a equal to minus d upon 3b, which will give 3bc equal to 280, which is required relation. Now let's consider next question. A straight line through a fixed point 2, 3 intersects the coordinate axis at point P and Q. Suppose this point is 2, 3 and this is straight line L. If O is the origin and rectangle OPRQ is completed, then locus of R is to be found. What is locus of R? So now equation of line PQ, x upon h, x-intercept is suppose h, y-intercept is k, then x upon h plus y upon k equals 1. Since this line passes through 2 comma 3, then we can put 2 upon h plus 3 upon k equals 1. Now This will be locus of point R, provided we replace h and k by x and y. So what do we get? We get 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 1. If we simplify, we get 3x plus 2y equal to xy. So this is required equation or required locus